Hello, beautiful butterflies, and welcome to our standing flow. So, hands free, completely on our feet, energized and feeling good. Beginning with rolling shoulders back, coming into our mountain. So, making sure that our feet are planted on the ground, bringing energy up through our knees, our glutes, our core, our shoulders, and then our chin. Taking nice deep breaths and setting our intention or our goal for this practice. Take a nice deep breath in and a deep breath out. On your next deep breath in, we'll start to reach the hands all the way up towards the sky, exhaling to gently float by our side. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to float down. Inhale to reach up. Then go ahead and grab one wrist, pulling it over to the opposite side. Coming up, and then pulling the other wrist over. And again, pulling one wrist over to one side and the other. Reach all the way up nice and high, and then swan dive all the way down to our forward folds, coming into halfway lift and folds. Inhale, halfway lift number 2, and folds. Halfway lift number 3, and folds. And then bending the knees, slowly roll all the way up. Take a deep breath in, hands come up overhead. Exhale, hands to hearts. Taking the legs out nice and wide and coming down into our goddess squat. So reaching the arms up on the inhale. Exhale to squat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to squat. One more time, reaching all the way up. Exhale, squat and holds. Reaching the arms out long. Nice deep breath as we look over one shoulder and then the other. Looking up and down. Deep breath as we bring the legs straight and our forward folds. Inhale to halfway lift. And exhale, plant one hand, and we'll begin to reach one hand all the way up into the sky into a little twist. Back down, other side, bring it up. Back down. One more time each side, inhaling to reach up. And then exhaling to come back down into our forward folds. Come nice and deep and slowly roll back up on that exhale, reaching up nice and high. Inhale, and then exhale, coming into our warrior on one side. Checking the feet, making sure that they are perfectly far apart and strong as we lift up on our inhale. Then exhale, extend. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, extend. Again, inhale, straighten. Exhale, warrior 2. Breathing in to come into peaceful warrior, looking up towards the sky. Deep breath as we move into side angle, or you can make this extended side angle by placing that hand down next to your foot, but keeping that hand on the knee if that feels better for you today. Deep breath in as you come back up, warrior 2. Straighten the leg, breathe in, and then moving on to the other leg, warrior 2. Checking the posture, and then when you're ready, we'll begin to breathe in to lift up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, extend. One more time, reaching all the way up and then coming down into that warrior 2, and then inhaling to peaceful warrior. Gaze lifted, deep inhale. And as we exhale, we'll come back into that side angle or extended side angle, reaching out to the opposite side of the room, really feeling that stretch into our side body. Inhale, come back to center, warrior two. Straighten that leg. Inhale to reach up. And then exhale to dive back down to our forward fold. This time coming a little deeper into those little twists. So bringing one arm over to one leg, reaching up with the other. Pausing for just a moment, feeling the stretch. Deep breath in. And exhale to come over to the other side for that deeper twist. Breathe in. Exhale back to center. Bringing the hands to the hips and slowly lifting yourself to halfway lift. Bend the knees and roll all the way back up. Inhale to reach the arms up nice and long. Exhale, hands to heart. Let's go ahead and bring those legs together. Toes touching, heels slightly apart. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to float down. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, float down. Inhale, reach up. And as we exhale, we're going to sink down into our chair pose. So bring that seat backwards, knees over the ankles, deep breaths. Inhale to straighten, exhale, chair. Inhale, straighten, exhale, chair. And one more time, inhaling, exhaling, hold the chair. Extend the arms out nice and long. Hold it for just one more moment. And exhale to forward folds. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Fold. One more halfway lift. Then folding, bending our knees and slowly rolling ourselves all the way back up. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, hands to hearts. One more time, reaching all the way up and acknowledging one thing to be grateful for. And then exhaling to say thank you. And thank you for joining me today. Namaste.